beautiful. It's sweater weather, but like I'm getting toasty in this sweater. Okay. Hello, welcome back to Mayday in the Kitchen. I'm Mayday, and today we are trying something that I completely am scared of, and it's just like a texture thing for me, but we're gonna try it. This comes from one of my recipe books. I got it actually at TJ Maxx for, I believe, $4.99, and the reason why I got it so cheap is because it's broken. There's no spine on the book, and it's kinda, not really falling apart. But this book is Isa Does It. Isa Does It, right there. And completely 100% vegan, all of these recipes. I've tried a few of them. You can see my little tabs here, and really good. So I figured we need to try a dessert. The holiday seasons are coming, sweater weather is here, and I am enjoying it very much, just staying comfy and cozy, even at work. Like, yes, bring out the Uggs, the leggings, the sweaters, comfy. So, holidays are coming. I thought I'd try a dessert, something warm, something cozy, something delicious. So we are going to make strawberries and cream bread pudding. Let's get cooking. If you guys like this video, please be sure to hit that like button down below, and don't forget to hit that bell notification so that you can get reminded every beautiful Wednesday morning when I upload new videos like this one. Also, be sure to check out my Instagram, behind the scenes, what's happening in my life, an almost day-to-day basis. I don't post every day, but almost day-to-day basis, and not just see me here on Wednesdays. Okay. The first thing that we're going to do is preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I have done that. This kitchen right here actually does not have an oven, so I went to my mother's house, which is right next door, turned on her oven, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. The next thing we're going to get is an 8x8 inch casserole dish, and we're just going to lightly grease it. Done. I need to take my day-old bread and cut it into 1-inch cubes. And I'm placing them into a large bowl. That is a lot of bread. Alright, my bread is in one very large bowl. Now I'm going to another bowl, and I'm going to put in 1 cup of almond milk. I probably didn't need such a big bowl. It's only 1 cup, unless I'm adding more to it. Oh well. And then we're going to need 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. And we are whisking away. So, I am changing a tiny thing about the recipe. It calls for coconut milk at this time, but I just don't like coconut, so I'm just going to put another cup of almond milk. But if you guys like coconut, then you would put another cup of coconut. Then you guys would put a cup of coconut milk. I need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now I need 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Half a cup of sugar. And lastly, we need half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Whisk this together. Now I'm going to take this mixture and pour it all over my bread. Ooh, it's like so gross to me. I hate soggy bread. I hate it, I hate it, I hate it. I hate it when my burger bread, my buns for my burgers are soggy. I hate it when I have a sandwich with soggy bread. I hate it. So seeing this is like really kind of grossing me out. But I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna see how it tastes because I've never had bread pudding. So All about adventures here. I'm just gonna kind of give it a little stir because I see some pieces of bread that didn't really get coated with the liquid. So now I'm gonna let it sit for 15 minutes. While my bread is sitting for 15 minutes, I am going to cut my strawberries. I need 2 cups of strawberries. So I have this really cool strawberry cutter. It just cuts it like that for me. Beautiful. No messing around. Whoa, that's some big leaves. Alright, I would say that this is 1 cup. Alright, 2 cups, and I'm just folding them in, making sure they're distributed evenly within my bread. So I'm going to pour it into my pan. Get all those strawberries. Yeah? Now I'm gonna go bake it for 30 to 35 minutes. Okay, my bread pudding is in the oven right now. The timer's about to go off. I'm going to make some glaze so that I can drizzle it on top and just make it all around yummier. We need 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon of almond milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And it does ask for coconut oil to be mixed in. I don't want that coconut taste, so I'm just gonna add 1 more tablespoon of almond milk. It is here and I am scared, but I think it'll be okay. I think. So here I have my glaze. I let it sit for a bit and cool off. I'm ready for the sugar. Alright, here goes nothing. Oh, it's like so gushy. Ugh. I don't know. Does not look appetizing to me. It's okay. Like, it's good. I just think just that thought of soggy bread cannot like leave my mind, and it is just like not making this really sound great and then eating it. Like, it's good, it's sugary, it's warm, but just the texture is really throwing me off. If soggy bread isn't a deal breaker for you, then this is very good. It's sugary, sweet, you have the strawberries are super good, the cinnamon is really great, and the glaze just adds another layer of sweetness to it. So I would definitely give it a try. I also just found out that bread pudding was actually my grandpa's favorite dessert. I had no idea. He passed away when I was really young, so I didn't really know him, but apparently it's his favorite dessert, and when my dad found out that I was making it, he got very excited and he wants to try it as well. So I'm gonna give this to my family and see how they like it, and yeah. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, please be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so that you can get reminded every beautiful Wednesday morning when I upload new videos like this one. Thank you so much. I will see you guys next Wednesday. Bye!